unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Frequent baby hiccups are a sign your baby's nervous system is developing and practicing breathing. Fewer kicks don't always mean a problem, since babies change their activity patterns as they grow. But if you notice a big drop in movement or no kicks at all, contact your healthcare provider right away. Remember, hiccups are usually a healthy part of your baby's growth.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.